In this question, we're asked to solve an equation where the variable is in the exponent position. A good technique for getting a variable down from an exponent position in this case would be to take a log of both sides of the equation. The type of log you take is your choice, but common choices would be just log base 10, which is just written as log, or also a natural log is a common choice as well, which would be ln. In this case, I'll just do log base 10. After taking a log of both sides, the exponent can be brought down in front of the log. The reason why this is possible is we always have this identity. Whenever we have a log of one thing raised to another, we can rewrite this as the exponent times the log of that first thing. That's the identity that I'm going to use here. So let's bring the 2x minus 1 down in front. And we'll bring the 4x plus 5 down in front as well. At this point, I'll distribute the log 3 to both of those terms, and I'll distribute log 2 to both of these terms. I'll now want to get the x's together. So I'll subtract 2x log 3 from this side and bring it over here. Now the logs do have to stay separate here because they're not of the same type. We have a log 2 and a log 3, so they're not like terms. Okay, now I'll get the 5 log 2 moved over to the other side. Okay, here I recognize that both of these terms have an x in them. So what I'm going to do is factor that x out front. And when I bring the x out front, I'll also divide both of these terms by x. So remove the x from the parentheses there. And finally, I can get the x isolated by dividing by this big factor here. And we arrive at x being isolated.